I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. I am sure that everybody had attended the previous lecture on example on insolvency and discounting of bill. Today's lecture, we will be attempting the examples on single drawer and multiple drawers. We all have seen that bill of exchange is an unconditional instrument, more so to ensure that the credit given to the customer is paid certainly on a particular date, time, place, and amount, like promissory note, undi, checks, etc. Bills of exchange is a bill drawn by a particular person directing another person to pay a particular amount to other person. There are three parties involved in a payment by bill of exchange. The drawer is the party that issues a bill of exchange, called the creditor. The drawee is the party to which the order to pay is sent, called the debtor. The beneficiary or the payee is the party to which the bill of exchange is payable. The coming example is on one drawer and multiple drawers. See the example number 3. Give journal entries in the books of Bipin. First, Sonal's acceptance for 3 months of rupees 20,000 was discounted with Bank of India at rupees 19,750. Second, Brinda's acceptance of rupees 14,400 retired 1 month before the due date at rebate of 12% per annum. Rekha's acceptance of rupees 8,500 is endorsed in favor of Gayatri in full settlement of her account rupees 8,650. Fourth, sold goods to Vinaya rupees 20,000 at 8% trade discount, received half the amount immediately, on which 10% cash discount was allowed. For the balance, a bill was drawn on Vinaya, which was accepted by her. Its solution is: first journal entry, Bank of India's account debit 19,750, discount account debit 250 to bills receivable account rupees 20,000, being Sonal's acceptance discounted with the bank. Giving proper amount with proper heading and narration is must to send person to score 100% marks. Without writing narration, you shall lose marks. Second journal entry, cash account debit 14,256, discount account debit rupees 144 to bills receivable account 14,400, being Brinda's retired at 12% per annum for 1 month. Third journal entry, Gayatri's account debit 8,650 to bills receivable account 8,500 to discount account 150, being Rekha's acceptance endorsed in full settlement. Fourth journal entry, new bill, the bill in cash and credit. Vinya's account debit 9,200, discount account debit 920, cash account debit 8,280, to sales account 18,400, being goods sold on cash and credit. The working note is of transaction number 4. See the working note. It reflects sold worth rupees, goods sold worth rupees 20,000 at 8% trade discount. Trade discount 1,600. That is 18,400 net amount of goods. Half the amount is received in cash, on which cash discount was given. See, half the amount is 9,200, 10% CD, cash discount is 920, total cash received 8,280, and 50% amount was on credit. Credit goods amount is 50%, that is of rupees 9,200. This working note reflects rupees 20,000, the amount of goods from which 8% trade discount is deducted. From the net amount of rupees 18,400, half the amount was immediately received in cash with 10% CD, that is 9,200 minus 920. The net amount of cash received is 8,280. On the remaining amount, fresh bill of rupees 9,200 was drawn, which was accepted by Vinya. And the next entry is, see the next entry of credit bill. Bills receivable account debit 9,200 to Vinya's account 9,200, being bill drawn and acceptance received. This example is thus of single drawer and multiple drawing. The next example is also on the same topic. Example number 4. Journalize the following bill transaction as on 11 January 2016 in the books of Balaji. A. Renewed Shreyas acceptance of rupees 10,000 on 11 January 2016 by receiving rupees 6,000 in cash and drawing a new bill including interest rupees 800 for 2 months. B part. Bank intimated that Narayan's acceptance of rupees 6,000, which was discounted, dishonored. Bank paid noting charges rupees 100. C. Padmavati informs Balaji that Lakshmi's acceptance of rupees 8,000 endorsed to Padmavati has been dishonored. Noting charges amounted to rupees 90. D. Bholenath honored his acceptance of rupees 4,800, which was deposited into bank for collection, and bank charges debited rupees 95. We will now go to solve the problem. First journal entry, shares account debit 10,000 to bills receivable account 10,000, being Shreyas acceptance cancelled for renewal. It is of acceptance of the bill, and second entry is of receiving cash. Cash account debit rupees 6,000 to Shreyas account rupees 6,000, being part payment received in cash. In the third entry, first take entry of interest due. That is, Shreyas account debit rupees 800 to interest account 800 being interest charge and due. The last entry be taken as new bill acceptance with interest. The fourth entry is bills receivable account debit 4,800 to Shreyas account 4,800 being new acceptance received on renewal. Thereafter, bank informed that Narayan's discounted bill was dishonored. The entry shall be with noting charges. Narayan's account debit 6,100 to bank account 6,100 being discounted bill dishonored and bank paid noting charges. Padmavati informs Balaji that Lakshmi's acceptance of rupees 8,000 endorsed to her was dishonored with noting charges rupees 90. The entry to be taken: Lakshmi's account debit rupees 8,090 rupees to Padmavati's account rupees 8,090 being endorsed bill dishonored by Lakshmi and noting charges paid by endorsee. Bholenath deposited his bill of rupees 4,800 to the bank. The entry should be bank account debit 4,800 to bill sent to bank for collection account rupees 4,800 being deposited bill honored which was sent for collection. Bank charged rupees 95 and debited the same. The entry should be bank charges account debit rupees 95 to bank account rupees 95 being bank charges debited by bank. The total of both the debit and credit side is 40,685, 40,685. We attempt to solve the examples in the foregoing lectures. I hope you all have understood the way entries are to be taken. For better understanding and practice, assignments as homework are given. I request you all to kindly attempt and solve the assignments on your own and master the topic. I am also forwarding the link of Google form which everyone has to compulsorily attempt. In this lecture, we have attempted 2 examples on the same topic. With this, I conclude the topic. I thank you all for your kind attention, and I also thank Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and in charge Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support and opportunity. Thank you.